How's it, guys? It's Gary here on Tafelberg Road, the bottom of Table Mountain. And what the guys are doing today, now that the weather's cleared, is they are actually going to be changing the cables that run up and down the mountain, or pull the cable cars up and down the mountain. So one of the cables runs through a snatch block and it's connected to the truck over there. The cable is connected via a series of snatch blocks and winches to the cable at the bottom of the lower station. And what's going to happen is that truck is going to reverse along Tafelberg Road, and as it does, the old cable is going to be pulled out of the system through the slack rope calipers and out of the system. And while that happens, the new cable, which is in the spool over there, is going to be fed into the system. So the truck reverses, the old cable gets pulled out and the new cable gets pulled in, and it's quite specific because it has to be done to a specific tension. That spool can't unleash. It has to be done sort of really delicately. So there's guys all over the place. There are guys on top of the mountain making sure that the cable runs up perfectly. There are guys halfway up the mountain checking it out, and then there are all the guys down here on walkie-talkies ensuring that the cable gets pulled through properly. All is good and all is going well, and we will catch you later. Cheers.